Hello, do you have a broken hairdryer? Don't throw it away just yet. It's e-waste, but it's also a treasure trove of components. Today we're going to practice upcycling. We will turn the DC motor inside this into a powerful handheld mini drill. A hairdryer works with two main parts, the heating element for heat and the DC motor for wind. We need to save this motor. Open the case. Pro tip: to remove the fan blade without bending the shaft, loop a wire underneath and pull gently. This is the heart of the drill. It's a high-speed motor, perfect for drilling PCBs or grinding small details. Cut a piece of PVC pipe about 13 centimeters long. We also need to cut two round plastic pieces to cap both ends. Measure and drill holes precisely to fix the motor to the plastic cap. If the motor is loose, the drill bit will wobble, which is dangerous. We will connect a series circuit. Power goes through the switch, to the motor, and back to the negative terminal. Safety alert. The soldering iron is very hot. Please be careful or ask an adult for supervision. Before soldering permanently, test the power. Make sure the motor rotates in the right direction so the drill chuck doesn't unscrew itself. Fit everything neatly into the PVC pipe. Finally, tighten the drill chuck onto the motor shaft using a hex screw. And here is the result. From electronic waste, we now have a useful tool. Recycling not only saves money, but also protects the environment. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe. Goodbye.